I've heard it in 2001. I've heard it in 2005 and 7 and 8 and 10 and 12 and 13. You can probably find the same quotes from the same people over and over again. And I'm not defensive on it. This is America, and you can say what you want. But I'm giving you my honest opinion is that there is a culture of innovation in Apple. And that culture of innovation combined with these incredible loyal customers, happy customers, this ecosystem, this virtuous ecosystem, is something that is probably underappreciated.
Well, then you were surprised with the market reaction to both when you decided to not reveal units and when you revealed the shortfall?
I'm never surprised by the market, to be honest with you, because I think the market is quite emotional in the short term. And we sort of look through all of that. We think about the long term. And so when I look at the long-term health of the company, it has never been better. The product pipeline has never been better. The ecosystem has never been stronger. The services are on a tear.
With us now to discuss this is Steven Milunovich, Apple analyst with Wolfe Research. Steven, great to have you with us.
Thanks.
Do you agree with Tim Cook? I mean, arguably, you're one of the critics. You got to peer perform on Apple. You've got a $155 price target, which basically means you think Apple is dead money for the next 12 months. So does Tim Cook have it right in terms of it is still the culture of innovation, and this latest stock tantrum is just a speed bump in a longer road?
I think he's right about the long term. I think Apple's still in a very strong position. He's right about the ecosystem. The fact is you've got an installed base that's growing and a very high retention rate, which reflects customer loyalty. That's eventually going to come back to the stock. The thing, though, that has changed, I think, is that they've given investors the impression that they believed iPhone would continue to grow for the next couple of years. And that is not happening. So while China's economy might be weak, there's other factors like losing share in China, and particularly the fact that at these prices, people tend to hold on to phones 3+ years. And so you're probably going to go through a period here of weak iPhone sales. Maybe in a year or two, they'll pick back up. I don't think any of this is an existential threat to Apple, but the near term, I think, is worse than they expected.